Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change interface language. How to change interface language or how to edit interface language. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is click on the three at the top right corner. Then you click on settings. Then left here you see languages. Click on languages. And over here you can see the languages. So the languages that let the website in the language you speak. They also show content in this language when they're possible. So you can now try to add languages. Choose the ones you want to add. You can search by scrolling down or just typing the name of the language. For example, if I want to add this particular language to it, so I click on it, click on add, and also change the language from English to, you can remove it or say Chrome should display in this language by clicking on the ticking this box. You can remove or you can move it down. So you can see the languages. It's as simple as that. Anyone you don't want, for example, I want to remove this one, I click on remove, and it's as simple as that.